Basic math review. 8 square means 8 times 8. That is equal to 64. For 8 cube, that is 8 times 8 times 8. That means 8 times 8, that's 64, times another 8, you'll have 512. Here in this case, negative 8 square, we will copy negative first and then square 8. So that will be 8 times 8 equals, copy negative sign, multiply 8 times 8, that's negative 64. For this one, since the negative sign is inside the parentheses, it means we will include that in multiplying 8 to itself. So that's negative 8 times negative 8. Negative times negative is equal to positive. So it means your answer will be positive 64. Here, if you have a negative exponent, to make it positive, you just have to get the reciprocal of the base. The reciprocal of 8 is 1 over 8. Then after you reciprocate it, this exponent will become positive. So here, just copy 1 and then 8 squared, that's 8 times 8, that will be over 64. Same with this will be 1 over 8 and make negative 3 positive 3 equals 1 over 8 cube. 8 cube is equal to 512. This copy negative sign and get the cube of 8. 8 times 8 times 8. For your answer, you may copy this negative sign. 8 times 8, that's 64, times another 8, that's 512. How about this one?